Hello everyone, I'm Hunter.
And I'm Amy.
Let's talk in English. Today we're going to talk about
Teacher says this class will be an indoor physical fitness class.
Huh? Teacher says we will have class at the sport field next week. You're right, but look, it's raining outside. Oh, I don't like raining days. I like rain very much. It rains very beautifully. Indeed, and there are puddles on the ground. I like to step on them. Yes, I also find it very interesting. But do you know, rain is actually very important. I know. We need water. We can drink water, take a bath, and grow a lot of fruits and vegetables. That's right. So let's accept the rain. And after raining, we can see beautiful rainbows in the sky.